everybody, happy Thursday and happy October. I have for you the first of a bunch of really fun new October books to read. This one is A Spoonful of Frogs. It is written by Casey Lyall and it's published by Harper Collins, and we want to thank them for allowing us to share this book with you today. And I'm here with Charlie, who's been a little under the weather for the last couple weeks, but he definitely wants to make his presence known. If you saw him headbutting, he loves to be petted. So, are you ready to find out what this book is all about? Let's get started. All right, so look at these end pages. Aren't they great? It's a whole bunch of frogs. A witch's favorite treat is frog soup. It's easy to make and healthy too. Start by placing your cauldron over the fire. Fill it with water, add a pinch of salt, a sprinkle of pepper, and 22 cloves of garlic. Chop up 6 potatoes, 3 carrots, toss them into the cauldron. Mix in a cup of fly extract. Does that sound good? And where would you find it? The last and most important ingredient is a spoonful of frogs. This will add a kick of flavor and a pop of color. What do you think's gonna happen? Have any ideas? Place the frogs on the spoon. Do you see what happened there? Did the frogs stay on the spoon? Do you see that? It's right there. Grab the frogs and put them on the spoon. Get the frogs, put them on the spoon. Find the frogs and place them on the spoon. Do you see where all these frogs went? They're hopping away. If you come in and check out this book, you can look for all the frogs. This isn't working out so well, is it? Scoop up the frogs with the spoon. Chase the frogs. Trap them in a pot. Do you see all this? This is not as easy as she thought, is it? Tip them out onto the spoon. Did that work? Nope. I don't think they want to go in the pot. Put the spoon on the frogs. Slide the frogs onto the spoon. Get another spoon. Use the 2 spoons to scoop up the frogs. And look at the mess. Now look, they're outside. Put the frogs on, put the frogs, honk, 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 on the spoon. She's looking for the frogs. What do you think? Did you find the frogs? Put the frogs on the spoon. Slip. She's not getting the frogs. Pickles. I think she gave up. Pickles. Pickles are an acceptable substitute for frogs in this recipe. Add a spoonful of pickles, stir well, bring the soup to a boil for 1 hour, and serve it hot. And enjoy with friends. And do you see who she's enjoying it with? Do you see that? She's enjoying it with the frogs. The end. And these end pages have lots and lots of pickles. Isn't that cool? So, what do you think about pickle soup? What do you think about frog soup? Let me know on our Instagram page. I will be back next week with another brand new story that I can't wait to share with you. So until then, come in and visit me, check out this book, and if not, I'll see you back here on Tuesday. Bye for now.